Hello, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit black tone filter in Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.50. Contrast to plus 60. Bring the hue to 200. Shadows down to -10. -100 for whites. And 40 for black. Now go to curve. And follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. -25 for vibrance. And saturation down to -30. Now go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue plus 16. And -10 for luminance. Next go to orange color. Hue down to -10. And saturation to plus 10. Next go to yellow color. -100 for saturation and luminance. Now go to green color. -100 for saturation. -100 for saturation for sky color. Go to blue color and bring the saturation to plus 10. Bring the saturation -100 for purple and magenta color. And done. Now go to effect. Texture to plus 10. Clarity to plus 20. And dehaze to plus 40. Now go to slip tone, that is so important part. Bring the hue to 210 and saturation 5 for highlights. Bring the hue to 220 and saturation 11 for shadows. And done. Now go to details. Noise reduction to plus 20. Editing finished. Now you can see the difference of before and after using this filter, so subscribe my channel to see more photo editing tutorial videos. Stay happy, stay cool. Goodbye, hope that see you again.